and some Ghana man Penican. I think say you has almost make appeal say conform a public private partnership now omuntimi develop infrastructure bia war mo was say omoye. So you has no one of the investors His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the late former president John Evans Atamels at the buyer say at least let's situate a university in the Volta region. Ebema mebunwa anase Ghana for ma won so feel say on betimi akosuku of Ramantemu, especially to specialize in the area of health no. Won so ebetimi enya sa akwanya no. Say o share your 2020 manifesto no mo. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the news wade hunu ba ko a say o share NDC history when it comes to education. Until to that na me yas NPP for sorry o say o na ye Ghana education ye ni free SHS o de bomb won de they have not done anything in relation to education. I am being frank with you. So we share Ghana ye tertiary education. Now everyone about obeko GS as a SHS. We are waka ho. And ne the okra degree kran ho ne ho ano. Now we okra SHS certificate. You have to go on. You have to move forward because then we are no obi economy in terms of education. What has been the MPP's contribution to tertiary education in this country? And only any swadi hunu a distinguish the NDC from the MPP.
Okay.
We share the public universities in Ghana. MPP ba it has all been the NDC's initiative. So, even with our technical universities, it has been the NDC.
So you interrogated
the apart from you has a child said for over the period that MPP are buying base University of Health and Life Sciences. More for one infrastructure.
I don't know why
I don't know who and they are making an appeal so almost in conform na so all kinds of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama news to do baako no kwesi university ni bi wo Eastern region e ma omo akufa do krom no anka sanka be di mampani ontimi emfa bibia kra enkokan sa university no. Now on the issue of investing, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a issue of security, or say, we want to establish a University of Peace and Security Studies at Asimfosu. We say like campuses at Damango, Accra, Kumasi, Takoradi, Ho, and Sunyane. Now, ye can security hun sensem ye security hun sensem ya. If you about him say Ghana highway, you need university. See what say university we there we go to learn about our security.
Kofi Annan Peacekeeping Center.
No. Kofi Annan Peacekeeping Center is not a university on its own. Into because work also a degree in say I hear a postgraduate thing, right? But we don't have a specific.
But why must you go and have degree in security? Do we have these things in the country?
No, US are US practices system be. Obi a real tertiary institution, most of them. Or national service you go to the military.
That's more.
Why are our presidents more president no security issues? That is why the US is one of the safest.
I know your national service. I believe Israel crowd was sad. So can't we just align our national service to go to the military?
I'm saying that and no come His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na all canon. And that is what we need to draw the attention of the MPP to. Yeah, can security who asem yawo. No, so na ne de ebe so. Say so na ne kwa de. And who asem de doors because ye sha say no fa baby. And nti na me yosa na Dr. Che. It's very crucial. Say abrebia na de adwen be koso. Ehun say Ghana bambon ehun hia ye. Say de His Excellency kan yi. O kan say bebre yataba chechemu ne say ye security architecture, the responsibility of security no. Ne nyina kan hu. And nti na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni so ade hu ba ko pa ne Ghana ho bambo. Currently, Ghana is in a state of anarchy, and Yanshe Ebehadring.
State of anarchy.
Yes,
it's a big word.
Now, yeko suna no sono. Adriana, President Ababe ma address as he's supposed to, mandated under 1992 Constitution, Article 67. Now, and let me take